He's a Harvard astrophysicist who believes we may already have evidence of alien technology passing through our solar system. His ideas shook the scientific world, and many of his peers aren't happy. This is Avi Loeb, and this is why he won't stop looking for life beyond Earth. Avi Loeb was born in Israel in 1962. As a young man, he joined the country's elite Talpiot program, a military initiative for exceptional minds. There, he studied physics and engineering before turning to the biggest questions in the universe. Loeb went on to earn a PhD in plasma physics and later became a professor at Harvard University. For years, his work focused on black holes, the early universe, and galaxy formation. But his curiosity eventually drifted toward something far more controversial: the possibility of intelligent life beyond Earth. In October 2017, astronomers detected a mysterious object speeding through our solar system. It wasn't a comet, and it wasn't an asteroid, at least not like any we'd seen before. It moved too fast, reflected sunlight strangely, and showed no signs of a comet's gas tail. They called it Oumuamua, Hawaiian for a messenger from afar arriving first. Most scientists said it was simply a natural interstellar rock, perhaps a chunk of frozen hydrogen or nitrogen, but Loeb looked closer and saw something different. He suggested Oumuamua's acceleration could not be explained by natural means. Instead, he proposed it might be artificial, perhaps a piece of alien technology, like a solar sail drifting through interstellar space. That single claim split the scientific world. Some hailed it as bold and imaginative. Others dismissed it as reckless speculation. But one thing was certain: everyone knew Avi Loeb's name. Rather than backing down, Loeb doubled down. In 2021, he launched the Galileo Project, an initiative based at Harvard with a simple mission: to search systematically for evidence of extraterrestrial technology near Earth. The project uses advanced telescopes, sensors, and artificial intelligence to track unidentified aerial and interstellar objects. It's privately funded. No government money, no NASA oversight, giving Loeb the freedom to chase what others won't. He calls it bringing the search for interstellar artifacts into the scientific mainstream. And to many, it's a modern echo of Galileo's defiance, looking where others refuse to look. In 2023, Loeb led a $1.5 million expedition to the Pacific Ocean. His target? A meteor that had crashed near Papua New Guinea in 2014, dubbed IM-1, believed to have come from outside our solar system. Loeb's team recovered tiny metallic spheres, spherules, from the ocean floor, claiming they might be fragments of an interstellar object. He reported unusual elemental composition, but not everyone was convinced. Critics argue the findings could have terrestrial explanations or contamination. To this day, the debate continues. Is it evidence of something extraordinary or just ordinary material with a great story? In July 2025, astronomers detected what might be the third known interstellar visitor to our solar system, 3I Atlas. It first appeared via the Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System survey in Chile, and its trajectory is unmistakably hyperbolic, meaning it isn't bound to the sun and must have come from beyond our solar system. Most scientists believe 3I Atlas is a comet. It has a coma, a tail-like dust cloud, and behaves like other icy bodies warmed by the sun. But Avi Loeb digs deeper. He's pointed out features which, to him, challenge the natural comet interpretation. He argues the object may be moving or shaped in a way inconsistent with purely passive dynamics. He's proposed that if it lacks expected outgassing changes as it approaches perihelion or its material composition turns out strange, we might be looking at something engineered. For example, he writes, if future data will indicate the absence of a cometary tail, we may be faced with the tantalizing possibility that it did not inherit a random velocity in interstellar space, but instead was sent towards the inner solar system by design. Loeb has even speculated that 3I Atlas might be part of a class of interstellar objects that include technology-bearing fragments, mini-probes, or reconnaissance craft. Whether he's right or not, the discovery of 3I Atlas gives him fresh material to argue that the search for alien technology is not just science fiction. It could be science fact in progress. Avi Loeb divides opinion like few others. His supporters see him as fearless, challenging the scientific establishment and daring to ask questions others avoid. His critics say he leaps too far ahead of the evidence, letting imagination blur the line between science and speculation. Loeb argues that science isn't about avoiding bold ideas. It's about following the evidence wherever it leads, even if that means confronting uncomfortable possibilities. It's a clash of mindsets: caution versus curiosity, skepticism versus wonder, and somewhere in the middle, the truth, waiting to be found. Maybe Avi Loeb is wrong. Maybe he's right. Only time will tell. Maybe Oumuamua was just an oddly shaped rock, and those tiny spheres are just dust from our own planet. Maybe 3I Atlas is the same, but maybe it's not. Science moves forward because of people willing to challenge what's known and to imagine what might be. Loeb's greatest contribution may not be in proving aliens exist, but in reminding us that science begins with curiosity and the courage to look up and wonder. If you want to learn more about 3I Atlas, watch this video here. But most importantly, until next time, keep looking up.